Okay, so now you've logged into Adobe. This is Adobe Express. At first, you may be a little overwhelmed. There's an awful lot to learn in this package. So I would suggest you spend a bit of time playing with it. I think you've got 2 hours. I don't know how long you'll have for this task, probably about half an hour, depending how you quickly got through the others. But I would use this for other projects as well. So go home and have a play with it to get the full value out of it. But it's completely free. So where I would start is, I would start up here. You can see the plus sign and also the search sign. I'm just thinking, the search sign has all the templates and things that are in it. So if you don't have a clue where to begin, click the search sign and type in SWOT. In my case, I've already done it. And then you have all these templates. And then you can play with the templates. So I like this one, but I'm not that keen on the colours, to be honest. So what I'm going to do is look at the theme, top left there. And Adobe provides me with lots of different colour suggestions. So I might try that one. I don't really like the contrasts with the purple colour. That's a bit bland, but that one kind of appeals to me, so I'm going to go for that one. Now I really like that, but we've lost the text there, so obviously I can change the colour on that. So let's see if I can, perhaps white might be better. Yeah, that seems to go really well, and you can just about see it there. So as you can see, I've already created a template for a SWOT analysis, and then if you want to put some text in, you just simply go to text, and then you've got all these options about fonts, which you should now know what a font is. You can see there's sans serif, there's Dido font, all these fonts are there. But what you don't need to do that. You just need to put in something like add your text there, and you can see it's remarkably big, far too big really. So what you need to do is make it smaller. So let's just shrink it down, clicking on the decrease font size. There's that word again. Bring it up here, and then you can add in whatever you want in terms of text, and as you can see, that's obviously not working very well. So what I'll do is I'll change that to white. Still rather big, so I'm going to get that very much smaller. Then I'm going to put in, for example, I am good with Adobe Express, and that's just one of my options. I think you can do that. That makes it even smaller. So you don't have to be very linear. You could be organic. Remember that in the quiz? Organic means using shapes which are non-linear. So I kind of like that, but I might just do that. So it's kind of adding a bit of a chaos to it. And then I'll think, right, I need to put some more text in. So let's go back to text. Far too big again, so let's make that smaller. And I am particularly good at writing. So you see the text has changed colour there. So change that to white. Oops, let's put your cursor on there to make sure you know what you're doing. I enjoy writing, so there we go. So, I might just try and balance it a bit. Remember that word? So if I just get that, it's a bit fiddly at first, and try and balance it that way. So overall, if I just stop, I don't want to bore you by going through all of these, but you can see how I've built up a template very quickly. I've got a very unified design. The strength, the weakness, the threats, the opportunities are all, and the SWOT analysis, all following a certain font. The colour scheme is a contrasting complementary colour scheme. And I'm adding my own work in here, and that's what you need to do. You need to think about the design to reflect you, and then put in here your strengths and your weaknesses and opportunities and your threats. I look at threats as things that perhaps the technology might change in the future. I'm not very good at it, so it's a big learning curve, that sort of thing. Watch the video if you're unsure on how to create a SWOT analysis and what a SWOT analysis is about, and then have a go. And when you've finished, you have to upload this to be marked, so you can click download, upload and download, PNG, Portable Network Graphic, so you can choose that, and then click download, and you can choose wherever you want to download it. I suggest your OneDrive. Then upload a copy to Elements, and I will get your tutor to mark it and check it. All right, and that is it. That's all you need to do. I hope you have fun. I hope you enjoy it. Have a play. It's the best way to learn these packages. Adobe Express is completely free. The advantages are it's free, it's cost effective, and it's got a hell of a lot of designs that you can play with. The disadvantage is it has prescribed designs, so you can't really go and do everything from scratch. You can have a go You can have a play with it. I'm sure you can try. I'm sure there's the methods for that. However, at the moment, there's just 1,000, a million different designs in there that you can choose from. So if you're looking for something that works from scratch, it might do it, but you're going to have to search around for that. But if you're looking for something that's got some ideas to get you started, then this is the product. All right, good luck and take care. Looking forward to seeing your designs.